Today on Crypto Win Rate, I'm going to show you how to create a WooX account. Before we get started, I recommend you create a new account with the link below this video. Using the link applies this code, which will make you eligible for sign-up bonuses. These are special bonuses just for our viewers, so if you want to be eligible for these rewards, use the link in the video description to create your account. To sign up to WooX, you could either create an account with Google, your Apple account, or your email. I am going to use my email. Once you've put in an email and created a password, make sure you have this box checked off and then create your account. Next, we need to copy and paste the verification code from our email and verify. We have successfully registered for a WooX account. To use any of WooX's services, you need to verify yourself via KYC. So we would go to Verify Now, put in your nationality and your country of residence. You need to at least do a level 1 verification to be able to use the platform, which means you would have to submit an ID and take a selfie. So to do that, you would just verify now, start, put in your first and last name, continue, start verification. Make sure the issuing country is correct, and then the document type you want to use, let's say a passport. Next, you could either continue on your computer or on your phone. Continuing on your phone, in my opinion, is a lot easier as it's more convenient to upload photos and take a picture of your face with your phone. So you would just continue on your phone, scan this QR right here, and then continue the KYC process. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll be able to use the platform. Looking around WooX a little bit, we can see that up here is where you can buy crypto with a credit card or an on-ramp service. Here is the market tab. You can look at the latest crypto prices and market trends and insights. Here's where you can trade spot, futures. In the Earn tab is where you can earn yield on your crypto. And the Reward Center is where you can access your deposit bonuses. If you want to get the best bonuses when signing up to WooX, you should create a new account with the link below this video. The link will take you to this sign up page where you can see all the bonuses that you are eligible for. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We also have a website at cryptowinrate.com where we have lots of crypto content and tons of educational guides for you to sift through. I appreciate your time, and bye for now.